Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this really rare SQ5. It's a 3 litre bi-turbo diesel, absolutely stunning condition. See, it's got the front park distance control, gloss black alloy wheels. It's literally just arrived. We've got the rear privacy glass, quadruple exhaust, rear park distance control. It's an absolutely flying machine. As you can see, paint works absolutely lovely. Beautiful reflection. Electric rear tailgate. Got a parcel shelf. It's there. It does have the added benefit of a tow bar if required. Full leather seats, white stitch piping. In the front, embossed SQ5, electric seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights, cruise control, flat bottom steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox, factory satellite navigation, starts up. Sounds lovely. Got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, sat nav as you can see. We've got the Bluetooth connectivity, park distance control with a camera. Let's just have a look. Full media pack as well. Car, so you can driver assist, vehicle settings, it's all there. Okay, menu. Like I say, it drives absolutely lovely, lovely condition. DJH offers full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. Require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.